Some cars are built for the fun of driving, but none of them are designed for the coolant and oil to mix. If you've worked on one of these BMWs with the popular B46 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, you may already know that the plastic oil filter housings are a common failure point. They are known to fatigue, warp, and crack, sometimes without warning, causing coolant and oil leaks, and worst of all, the oil and coolant can mix. These housings are an integral part of engine performance, combining both the oil filter and the oil cooler as well. The one thing better than a high-quality repair is a higher quality repair, and now available for this engine from Rhein Automotive is a new upgraded aluminum oil filter housing. This new housing features full aluminum construction, which eliminates many of the common causes for failure of the OE housing, and it provides increased durability for a longer, problem-free service life. It also features a new pre-installed oil cooler, all new hardware, a new oil filter cartridge and cap, as well as high-performance gaskets and seals. This saves you time and provides the highest quality repair and peace of mind to your customer. Here's a tech tip for you. The installation of this filter housing requires draining the cooling system and coolant hose removal. This is a great time to closely inspect the coolant hoses and cooling system components for any signs of hydrolysis, indicating it's time to replace some of these components as well. Offering a thorough service with high-quality parts demonstrates your commitment to quality and strengthens your reputation with your customer and community. You can ensure this success by prioritizing auto parts suppliers that offer both quality assurance and a reputable track record, such as Rhein Automotive. Our dedication lies in finding the best solutions for our customers, which includes providing upgrades for auto parts to solve common failure points. The implementation of these upgrades not only ensures the longevity and reliability of replacement parts, but also makes a significant contribution to promoting a more sustainable and durable automotive industry. With Rhein Automotive by your side, rest assured that your auto parts are in safe hands, guaranteeing optimal performance and overall satisfaction for our valued customers. If you have a question regarding Rhein oil filter housings or any other Rhein product, feel free to post it below or on the CRP Automotive Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to CRP's YouTube channel to be among the first to learn about new videos like this one. Thanks for watching.